Yeah, people, so I'm just come off a bus out here, like, you see it? Yeah, man. So, now I walk and show no what go on and make it vlog even more interesting, you see it? Remember to like, share and subscribe, you see it? Yeah, man, I want Dex Media. Up and running. Yeah, people, so we're there. Dunbar Avenue. You see it? Yeah. Showing everything while I go and you see it, so remember to like, share and subscribe, you see me? Alright.
You don't know the song you can call Videographyer of Dex Media. Keep it locked.
Too dark and you want to be too bright. Alright guys, I'm just showing how I go on. You see it? So I'm gonna just go and sit back and enjoy this vlog, you see it? Yeah man, I put no popcorn and everything, you see it? Yeah man, Dex Media. Right, that's a better thing. Yeah, this is beautiful Kingston, Ashanti town. You see it, yeah man, Ashanti town. Yeah man, up and running. Remember to like, share and subscribe guys. Yeah, man, one Dex Media. It's gonna be a long vlog today, people. Yeah, man, just like, share, and subscribe. See me. All the people out there see Kingston, Jamaica. I don't feel like someone there with me. Want to walk with me, you see it? It's a little walking. Right into Walkway Tree. So we just come off a bus and I do a little walking vlog for you guys. Yeah. Hello. So right over there you have Island Dairy. Yeah, that's Creamer Factory. You see it? You look like right over there, see there. Creamer Factory. Yeah, up and running. Not gonna do a lot of talking. I'm just gonna show you guys what I go on. And just take in the whole place and see what I go on. And then check in, you see it? Yeah man, tell a friend about the channel, you see it? Yeah. Like, share and subscribe. It's not an easy road. Some people think it's a better road, but it's not an easy road. Who feels it knows. I feel so excited to do this vlog today, guys. A long time I want to walk and show no what I'm going. But certain circumstances, I couldn't get to vlog. Over here, so them have the yellow page. It's a good look. The yellow page. Yeah, it's a good look. Whole building look nice too. Yeah, man, building look good. Yeah, there's nerves. Yeah, man, Nick. Dark eye better. Alright, so this lane, this street bring you to West King's house. Yeah, see, that lane here bring you to. But I'm not gonna go there, I'm going straight to Halfway Tree. So I will just continue straight. Yeah, just like this. I'm going to hurry up so not lick me down. Ah. I try to catch one place so I got locked by 5:30. I don't have no whole heap of time. Just hopefully I reach on time still as it. Because I think right now it is 5 o'clock. But I think I'm near to the place still as it. Yeah, man, I think I'm near to the place. So I think I'm able to catch it. How is the quality, guys? You guys loving the quality? Let me know. Let me know if you guys loving the quality. Alright, I guess this is North Avenue. Trying to hurry up to catch a place. I think I'll catch it though. I'm praying that I catch the place that I'm supposed to catch. Yeah, supposed to print some pictures. Sorry about that, mommy. Mommy. See the people? I want to go to Kingston, you know? All the place there, Kingston, will sell cars. Yeah, man. But I think I'm in love with Kingston. Alright, so that over there you got Popeyes. You see? So we got Popeyes in Jamaica. And I'm going foreign alone Popeyes there, you know. Popeyes, they are beautiful Jamaica too. You see me? Alright, so Popeyes, they're right over there. As you know, so I go on. Right over there, Popeyes there. Right over there. They have a drive-through and everything. It's a good look. Up by the side they have Savannah Plaza. They have one cream over there too. Creamer ice cream place. This is what, South Avenue. Alright, I think I'm near now to halfway tree. So I think I will be able to catch the place before 5:30. I'll check my clock and see what time now. It is just 5 o'clock. I'll catch it. So this plaza name, Lane Plaza. I have rapid True Valley over there. Come on guys, if you don't like the video yet, please like it. As it is a way of YouTube algorithm recommend the video. So I need enough to like the video, please like the video and support it. You see, support the channel by liking the video. So this is a Wendy's. Wendy's is over here also. That's beautiful. I think I'm near to the place now. Alright, over there, so now you have Starbucks. I do a vlog over there before. I could put up a little a screen thing up the top, so you guys can watch back that video that I did. So this is the mall. This is the mall plaza. One of these days, I'm gonna vlog some of these plazas. You see, time is against me now. So I'm unable to do it right now. But I always come to Kingston. So I'm gonna make this sacrifice to actually start doing it. Do some vlogs. It's actually the Tropics Plaza. Yeah, so this is Tropics Plaza. So we're actually at halfway tree, you know. Yeah, we're at the Tropics Plaza. The place that I'm going is near to the Tropics Plaza. So at least I will catch the place. I will definitely catch the place. Yeah. This plaza normally one of my favorite plaza coming to Kingston. Yeah, my general. Make them print it on the ceiling, yeah, man. Can't work, see me. Sometimes I go talk, another time I not go talk people. Because sometimes I don't have to talk. You guys just watch the video and enjoy it. It's like you're walking with me. So this is the place that I'm going, the Photo Express. Alright, so basically over there, so you have Pablo. Alright guys, so I'm not doing much talking, is it? I just I go vlog and show now I go on for the place. Alright. Hey guys, over there you have this transport center, is it? Yeah man, the transport center, they're right over there. You see people are going in yard and one thing, is it? Alright, so what I'm going to do guys, I'm going to walk down to the bus terminal and I'm going to walk up on the other side. You see it? Yeah, that I'm going to do. I'm just I'll make a walk same way and show you how I go and see the place. I'm going to go and take a look at the building same way, you see it? Come on, go up on that side there. Show you how I go on.
Burn him up, burn him up.
Alright guys, so this is one pedestrian cross. The vehicle them coming after they never want to stop. How am I dealing? Alright. Alright, my dad. Alright, so. As you see what going people. We're there at the transport center, you see it? I'm just up. Let's go tour this transport center and show them how I'm going. So this is actually the transport center. Over here, so you would take vehicle, bus to go anywhere to Jamaica and things. After 3 bus terminal. Transport center, or whatever they want to call it, you see it? See the people, everybody are going in here, I want to rush and go here. But I want to show you how I'm going first, you see it? Hopefully next time I can come over here a little earlier. Because if you're downtown, I didn't want to go. But it's too late, I know I forgot downtown, you see it? Yeah, downtown thing not gonna work out today. Yeah guys, as I walk, see if I can find the next printing place. I need to print some business card. And then the place over here so print business card. I'm gonna check it out and see. Yeah, G. No over here print business card? You're not sure? Alright. Hello, good evening. Anywhere over here print business card? Business card? Anywhere over here print business card? Are you not sure? The printing shop over here? You're not sure? Oh, you know? Yeah. Alright, no problem. Hello. You want to be a part of the vlog? I could put you. I could add you. Come now. Come on. It's not the thing too hard. You're just gonna tell them to subscribe. Alright. Instant photo. Check out that place. This is an instant photo. Let me check it out. No phone? A problem, I tell my dog. I tree money one, but if the money too high, I'm gonna mix the money on this earth. Yeah.
I think tree would be the last buy because with a flip screen and everything there.
Them now come out with no more for now.
I don't even think
No.
Nobody even need it because they run the big people out of the camera industry.
Yeah. I can shoot 4K, you know.
Yeah.
Let's check it like a evening. Bless up. Alright. Yeah, people, so just I walk that street here and show that side here. Everybody I got in here, that's it. I think I go too far because I get later now, you see it, people? Yeah, man, it get later now. So I think I just walk, go up the street here and then I just turn back and go to my yard. I have to travel all the way to Portland. I don't know, so I live at Kingston already. But thank everyone for watching. We'll always try to do more videos like this, guys. I don't know, so I have the right equipment now to do these type of vlogs. So definitely do more videos. Sorry, my general. Alright, so I actually I could just go back down the street now, is it? Yeah guys, so big up on yourself now, man, is it? Yeah man, I don't know, say Dex Media already. Yeah man, thank you very much for watching. Yeah man, thank you a lot for the support and thing, is it? Yeah. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Let me know if you like, enjoy the video. And if you know I'm going to do more video like this, and you can also leave it in the comment section and let me know. You see it? Yeah man, Dex Media. Yeah guys, so right now I'm going to look at bus to go to country, you see it? So I don't know you go already. Just I hope I get a bus there now. See the place dark and thing, you know? I know what time it is, you see it? That's I hope I get a bus to see people. Like a ready bus. I'm a God blessed person, so I know I get a bus. Buffalo, yeah. Hi, this. Hi, what going on? Yeah guys, so I'm actually get on bus here now, Portland, so I don't know it already. So this is the last part of the vlog, you know. Remember to like, share and subscribe, is it? Yeah man, Dex Media, out and running.